Hello.
Hello, how's it going?
Just resting after work.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Cool.
So,
May I
do
ask
you
you
start? Yeah,
where are you from?
I'm from Spain, but I live in London currently.
Spain, cool. Yeah.
What are you? Are you Turkish yourself or
Yeah, no, I'm not Turkish. I'm from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan? Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Kazakhstan, are you? Are you from the north? Like,
the capital.
I used to like the older name better. Nur Sultan
This,
is the current name.
yeah,
Yeah.
this is a new name, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's cool. It's I need to visit at some point.
Yeah, of course. You're welcome.
Thank you, man. You're welcome in Spain. Like, at least from as far as I go.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
So,
By the way,
uh,
is it in Spanish that you have like question mark upside down, right?
yeah, we have question mark in the beginning of the question. Anyway, have a nice evening, man. It was so nice talking with you.
Yeah, that was nice.
Take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye.